Fairywill Sonic Electric Toothbrush Rechargeable for adults and kids. ADA accepted 3 brush heads included 4 hours charge minimum 30 days use. Dentists recommend built-in 2 mins timer black. ADA accepted clean. The ADA is the professional association of dentists dedicated to serving both the public and the profession of dentistry. The ADA promotes the public's health through commitment of member dentists to provide quality oral health care accessible to everyone. Fairywill always works to give you the highest level of quality and care. That is why we associate ourselves with the best and work to give you the best. If you want to find a powerful electric toothbrush, up to 40,000 micro brushes per minute, effective, remove more stains than a regular manual toothbrush. W-shaped bristles suits teeth topography, reaches to the deep area, and has a deep cleaning. Clean your teeth just like the dentist does. Get a thorough cleaning, an overall upgrade over other regular electric toothbrush. A toothbrush that can accompany with you around the world. One single charge of 4 hours lasts 30 days, which makes it perfect for use at home and on travel. Wherever you go, you don't have to worry about running out of power. You're free from frequent charging from now on. The USB charging cable of this electrical toothbrush is compatible with any charger or equipment with a USB port. Global voltage, no matter which country you travel to. Fairywill Toothbrush FW508 always is your good choice. 2-minute built-in timer, auto-timed feature helps to ensure a dentist-recommended cleaning habit. There is an interval vibration reminder after every 30 seconds to let you know that it is time to move to clean the next quadrant of mouth, and it will shut off automatically when 2 minutes is up. It is waterproof, rated IPX7, so you can use it safely at shower. What's more, fading reminder bristles come with 3 replacement. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.